Syncro System specializes in van conversions for every make and model, including box vans, flatbeds and box tarpaulins. This is an Iveco Daily dropside converted by Syncro for ETRA, a Veneto region public works service that manages water and wastewater, solid waste disposal and recycling collection. The Syncro team begin by constructing a box frame with stainless steel tubing and lateral rolling doors. We mounted a durable resin-coated anti-slip plywood floor panel and a racking unit with shelving, rotationally hinged panel doors that take up minimal space while opening and are completely privy of protruding parts. We mounted checkered plate aluminium protective paneling and, along the bulkhead, 3 long item storage kits, consisting of a base attached to the floor and a bracket positioned above it with straps and clasp, to safely transport large drill bits, picks, shovels, pipes and much more. Since this daily is used to carry out maintenance and cleaning along roadsides, we mounted a metal frame to which various caution signs can be attached for both van and worker safety. The box frame can also be opened from the other side, allowing access to the pressure washer generator. The machine, capable of up to 10 kilowatts, is powered by the van's engine using a hydraulic pump mounted to the van's clutch. A button close to the steering wheel allows the worker to power the washer generator by accelerating the engine. There is also a portable compressor safely stored thanks to the Syncro track and strap system. The high-pressure cleaner with wand and nozzle has an output of up to 180 bar and can be used easily, even long distances from the van, thanks to a long hose and hose reel. The stainless steel custom-built water tank can hold up to 200 litres of water and is equipped with an indicator to check the water level. The tank is filled by using the quick-release coupling positioned under the van.